Experiencing FPS drops in Windows 11? Let's fix it. Watch this video to boost your gaming performance and eliminate those annoying lags and stutters. Search for Registry Editor in your search bar. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. To create a backup of your registry, click on File in the top menu. Select Export. Choose a location where you'd like to save the backup file. Type a name for your backup file and click Save. Now, if you ever need to restore your previous registry settings, click on File again. Select Import, find and select the backup file you saved. Next, let's move on to disabling game DVR. Double-click on HKey_current_user. Navigate to System, then Game Config Store. Find and double-click on Game DVR_enabled. Change the value to 0 and click OK. Now, let's make another adjustment. Double-click on Software. Navigate to Policy Manager, then Default. And finally, Application Management. Click on Allow Game DVR. Double-click on the value and set it to 0. Click OK. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.